Well, first I'm going to put the coconut juice. 1 can of coconut juice. The whole thing. Then 1 whole cup of pineapple juice mixed with a little bit of coconut. A 1/4 cup of soy. 1/4 cup of fish sauce. And some mirin. Some sweet mirin. It's cooking sake. Some ginger. It goes in the mix. About a teaspoon of ground pepper, teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder. Either wings, drumsticks, or thighs. I'm using thigh meat and winglets, or the wings. That's it. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge for 5 to 6 hours. That's it. This goes over the top. Make sure it's all covered. There you have it. And the charcoal's got to be bright white. No black within the charcoal. Notice I put the charcoal on one side. Purpose for that. Sizzle.
boy, that is succulent. That is so juicy. Oh my.
I'm glad you like it. Enjoy.